Hello students, welcome to today's session. In this session, let us solve some problems on binomial distribution. 4 fair coins are tossed 64 times. Write down the theoretical frequencies. You need to write down theoretical frequencies of distribution of heads obtained. What is the question here? You will be tossing how many coins? You will be tossing 4 fair coins. These 4 coins, they will be tossed not once, not one time, but how many times these 4 fair coins will be tossed? They will be tossed totally 64 times. They will be tossed how many times? 64 times. So what we need to do? We need to write down the theoretical frequencies of distribution of heads. That means out of 64 tosses, we will be tossing 4 coins 64 times. Out of these 64 times, how many times we have got only no heads? How many times we have got no heads? How many times we have got only one head? How many times 2 head? How many times 3 head? And how many times 4 head? We need to say that. How? By theory, by using binomial distribution theory, we need to say this. So, out of 64 times, we can say that almost for 8 times we might have get no heads. We can say that around one time we might have, around 4-5 times we might have got only one head. So, we need to write such frequencies using this particular problem. Okay. So, let us solve this problem. So, what is the given data here? So, in the problem they have told us that 4 fair coins will be tossed how many times? 64 times. So, we know that given n is equivalent to 64. So, 4 fair coins will be tossed 64 times. Okay. So, next followed by this. Here let the x be the, what is x here? X is a random variable. What does it is indicating? It indicates number of what? Number of heads. Okay, it indicates number of heads obtained when how many coins we are tossing? When 4 fair coins are tossed. So, when we toss 4 fair coins, how many times we got heads? That is what x is. Okay. So, then therefore, x is a binomial variate with n is equivalent to 4 and probability of success is equivalent to half. Why half? The reason is when you toss a coin, the chance of getting a head is half. When you toss another coin, the chance of getting head is half. Again, the third coin is also half. Fourth coin is also half. So, the probability of success remains same for all the tosses, all the 4 fair coins. That's why p value is half. So, now x is a binomial variate with n is equal to 4 and probability of success is equal to half. So, then what about the PMF? The probability mass function P of x is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, dash n. This is the general form of binomial PMF. What about the customized version for our problem? N is 4, 4cx. What is P? Probability of success is half to the power x. And what is Q? Q is equal to 1 minus P, half to the power n is 4 minus x, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any one value out of the range. Okay, so this is the customized PMF for our problem. Okay, so now we need to find the theoretical frequencies. So in order to find theoretical frequencies, we need to construct a table. Let us do that. So here we will be considering your table having the following columns. X, that is a random variable, it will consider value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Similarly, we will be looking for probability of X. Later, we need to find expected frequency. Expected frequency or frequencies. Expected frequencies. Expected frequencies is given by the formula T of x is equal to capital N into P of x. Okay. So let us start with the first 0 as the value for the random variable. If x takes the value 0, then what is probability of x? So probability of x is, we know the PMF value. Let me write once again for here. So the PMF is, I will be writing the general formula, NCx P power x Q power n minus x. When x takes the value 0, so 4C0 half to the power 0, then again q is half to the power n is 4 minus 0. So what will be 4C0 is nothing but 1. 1 into anything to the power 0 is 1 into again 1 by 2 to the power 4. 1 by 2 to the power 4 is nothing but 1 by 16. 1 by 16 multiplied by 1 will give you 1 by 16. So the value is 1 by 16, that is 4C0 P to the power 0, P is 1 by 2 to the power 0, Q is 1 by 2 to the power 4 minus 0. Okay. Now let us find the expected frequency. Okay. So that is, what is n? 64 into probability of x, 1 by 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64. So that is 4. Okay, 4 is the expected frequency. So this is the first one. Next, now the random variable will be taking the value 1. Then what is the probability of x is equal to 1? 4C1 half to the power 1 and half to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, so after simplification, you will be getting the value as 1 by 4. So here 64, that is n value into 1 by 4. Okay, so what is 4 ones are? Again 4 ones are here 2, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 16 here, 4 ones are 4, 24, 4 6 are 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. So the answer is, expected frequency is 16. 16 is the expected frequency. Next, followed by this. Now, random variable x will be taking the value 2. Then the probability mass function will look like this: 4C2 half to the power 2, again half to the power 4 minus 2. So you will be getting the answer as 6 by 16. So what is the total expected frequency? 64 into 6 by 16. 16 ones are 16. Sorry, 16 was 16. 16 fours are 64. 6 fours are 24. So the expected frequency is 24. So expected frequency is 24. Followed by this. Now x will be taking the value 3. So 4C3 half to the power 3, half to the power 4 minus 3, that is 1. I am writing it directly, 1. So what will be the simplified value for this PMF? The simplified value will be 1 by 4. That is, what will be the expected frequency? 64 into 1 by 4, we will be getting the value 16. Next, now x will be taking the value 4. If x takes the value 4, 4c, 4 half to the power 4 into half to the power 4 minus 4 is 0. What will be the simplified value for PMF? So the final value will be 1 by 16. So that is total expected frequency is 64. N into P of x, that is 1 by 16. 16 ones are 16 fours are. So the answer is 4. Now the random variable has taken all the values. It started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What does it mean? The random variable can have only no heads. It can take 1 head, it can take 2 head, it can take 3 head, or it can take 4 heads, all 4 heads. So what is the total? Now we need to see. Always the sum of all the probabilities will be 1. That is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 6 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 will be giving you the answer 1. Okay. Next, followed by this, what will be the total expected frequency? 4 plus 16 plus 24 plus 16 plus 4 will give you the value 64. So what is the meaning of this? It means when you toss a coin, 4 coins, when you toss 4 coins 64 times, when you toss the 4 coins 64 times, then out of those 64 times tossing 4 coins, you can expect 4 times no heads. You can expect 16 times only 1 head. You can expect 24 times 2 heads, and you can expect 16 times 3 heads, and you can expect 4 times 4 heads. 4 times 4 heads. So this is how. This is according to the theory. That's why I am saying theoretical distribution, not an observed one. Now toss ಮಾಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, according to the binomial theory ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So this is how you are going to solve this particular problem. Okay, now let us start the second problem. 6 unbiased coins are tossed 256 times. Calculate the expected frequency for the number of heads obtained. Okay, again the same type of problem what we have solved earlier. Okay, so here we are tossing how many unbiased coins? 6 coins we are tossing. Totally we are tossing 6 unbiased coins. How many times? Not once, but we will be tossing it 256 times. Out of these 256 times of tosses, we need to say what is the expectation of frequency, okay, of heads. How many heads we can expect? For example, 0 heads ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್. 1 heads ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, 2 heads ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 6 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 6 heads ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ we need to solve this. Let us solve it one by one. First, what is given here? So, solution given. We know what is capital N. So, given N is equal to how many times we are tossing 6 unbiased coins? We are tossing it 256 times. So, we know N value. Next, followed by this. Now, we need to define. Let X be. What is X? Let X be a random variable. What does it indicate? It indicates number of heads obtained. It indicates number of heads obtained when 6 coins are tossed. When 6 coins are tossed. 6 coins na toss ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. When 6 coins are tossed, how many times you can expect heads? For example, heads can be 0 or coin toss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ head ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು. They can be only 1 head, there can be 2 or there can be 3, 4, 5 or 6. So the X can take these values. Next, so what is X then? X is a binomial variate with N is equal to 6 and probability of success is equal to half. Why half? Because the chance of getting head for all the 6 coins is same. Okay, that is half. So then the PMF, probability mass function, P of probability of x is equal to NCx P power x Q power n minus x, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, 3 up till n. This is the general form. But for our problem, the customized version is 6cx half to the power x, then half to the power 6 minus x, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the customized PMF version for our problem. Yes. Now we need to find the expected frequencies of heads. Estest heads barabahudu, expectation enide namdu according to theory nodbek naviga. So nothing but we need to construct a table. Let me construct the table. So the first column indicates x values always, the second column indicates probability of x, and the third column it indicates expected frequencies, FREQUENCIES frequencies. It is given by the formula T of x is equal to n into probability of x. Okay. So x can take value from 0 to 6, not more than that. Okay, from 0 to 6. So let us consider that x is taking the value 0. So then what will be the probability? The probability mass function will look like this: 6c0 half to the power 0, again half to the power 6 minus 0. If you want, directly you can write like this: 6c0 half to the power 6. Itra kuda baribahudu, because half to the power 0 and half to the power 0 minus 0 gets cancelled alli hogibiduttade. So hage directly itra kuda baribahudu. It is left to you. Okay. So hagadre what will be the answer? 6c0 is 1 and 1 by 2 to the power 6 anta helidre enagutte? So the 1 by 6 to the power 6 is 1 by 64 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 to the power 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It means 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 into 2. Okay. So by 1. So this is 1 by 64 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸರಿ. Next, expected frequency ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? n is 256 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, into probability of x is equal to 0 is 1 by 64 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 64 1s are 64 4s are 256 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ the answer is 4. Next, followed by this, let us consider the x is random variable. X is considering the value 1. So 6c1 half to the power 1 half to the power 6 minus 1 is 5. So what will be the simplified value answer for this PMF? The answer is 6 by 64. So after expected frequency is 256 into 6 by 64. 64 1s are 64, 4s are 256, 6 4s are 24 is the value expected frequency for x is equal to 1. Next, x will be considering the value 2. So 6c2 half to the power 2, again half to the power 6 minus 2 is 4. So what will be the simplified PMF value? The simplified PMF value is 15 by 64. 15 by 64. What is the expected value to frequency? 256 into 15 by 64. 64 1s are 64, 4s are to 15, 4s are 60. Next, x will be considering the value 3. So 3c3 half to the power 3 half to the power 6 minus 3 is 3. So what is the value, simplified value? The simplified value is 20 by 64. 20 by 64. So that is 256 into 20 by 64. 64 1s are 64, 4s are 4 2s are 8. So 80 is the expected frequency followed by this fourth one, 6c4 half to the power 4, half to the power 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. So what will be the answer for this? The answer will be again 15 by 64. 15 by 64. So that is expected frequency is 256 into 15 by 64. 15 by 64 is nothing but 60. Okay. Next. X will be considering the value 5. 6c5 half to the power 5 into half to the power 6 minus 5 is 1. So what is the answer? The answer will be 6 by 64. Same bರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 256 into 6 by 64 will be giving you the answer 24. And the last, now the last value that a variable here can consider is 6. Okay, so 6c6 half to the power 6 half to the power 0. So it's nothing but 1 by 64. So what is expected frequency for x is equal to 6? 256 into 1 by 64. 1 by 64. You'll be getting the answer 4. So now you need to find the total. So total is, what is a total? Total is always the sum of all the probability terms will give you the value 1, will be giving you the value 1. And what is the expected frequency? If you add all these expected frequency, you will be getting the value 256 as the expected total expected frequency. It means out tossing 6 unbiased coin 256 times will yield you 4 no heads, will be yielding you 24 only 1 heads, for 24 times only 1 heads, 60 times 2 heads, 80 times 3 heads, and 60 times 4 heads, and 24 times 5 heads, and 4 times 6 heads. So this is the solution for the second problem.